Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix live weather not showing in wallpaper on iPhone. It is a fast and easy tutorial, so let's dive into it. First, make sure that the weather app is up to date. Open the App Store app and tap on your profile icon. Scroll down to see available updates. If an update is available for the weather app, tap Update. Live weather wallpapers rely on your iPhone's location services to display accurate weather conditions. So the solution is to ensure location services is enabled. To do this, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Here, scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. Here, select Location Services. Make sure the toggle switch at the top for location services is turned on. Also, scroll down to the Weather app and open it. Ensure it has permission to access your location. So choose Always for the most up-to-date weather information. Another solution is to force quit the Weather app. Swipe up on the bottom of your screen to bring up the app switcher. Locate the Weather app preview card and swipe up on it to force quit the app. Also, you should restart your iPhone. Rebooting your iPhone can often clear up minor software glitches. That is how to fix live weather not showing in wallpaper on iPhone. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And click on that notification bell to never miss an update.